El paquete, amigos sin límite, de 100 pesos. Marcador, para comprar.
Okay. Welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to unlock your lock phone by IMEI. So guys, in this video, I want to show you how to unlock any phone if you have this problem that doesn't allow you to make calls or use your mobile data. In this case, probably your phone is locked by a report. So in this video, I will do teaching you how to make a totally free liberation, free of programs or any application. Okay, so let's go. The first thing that we need to do is open a browser. So we need to open a digital tool that it's gonna help us to unlock our phones. Okay, so you need to write the next URL in your browser, helpme.me. Okay, this is the URL. You need to write it in your browser. Okay, so let's click on go to load this page. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, you need to click here in this button, unlock tool. Okay, this is the tool, guys, in Lock Helper. Okay, this is very easy platform to use. Okay, so the only thing that we need is the email number. To get our email number is very easy. You need to go to the phone app. Okay, and you need to write this code. Okay, it's very simple. You need to write it. Okay, and okay, let's call. When you call this number, it's gonna show you this screen with your email number. So you need to copy and paste in the platform. Okay, so you need to select your device. In my case, I am using an Android device. I must select Android device. Is very important. We need to click in the unlock button to start the process. Okay, so here, as you can see, the platform is unlocking my phone. Okay, it's very easy to use this app because it's not necessary to install any app or any program in your computer. Okay, the only thing that we need to do is wait. Okay, as you can see, the platform is telling me that my SIM is unlocked. And as you can see, okay, it just approved that I am already registered in the network. So let's go to make a call. Let's make to my voicemail. This is the number, okay? And that's it. As you can see, I can make a call now. Okay? This is the voicemail of my company. So that's it. My phone is unlocked now and I can use my mobile data without any problem. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.